Welcome to this week's experiment. This week we are playing around with something called Dare to Dream. Now it's a really super quick one, and this one is actually just designed to get you to think about really quickly and acknowledge from your absolute gut feel what it is you really want out of life and for yourself. So all it requires is a piece of paper and a pen. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to give you really short questions, and I want you to literally, I'm going to give you very little time to think about it. I want you to just answer the questions with whatever comes into your head. If nothing comes in, we'll move on to the next one. But literally, before your mind jumps in to argue why what your answer, what you've come up with isn't realistic, it can't be done for whatever reason, I actually just want you to write down what it is that's come up. And the more outlandish and fantastical, to be honest, the better. So we're trying to argue or remove you from your kind of logical left brain, which sometimes curtails what it is we really want and our dreams and ideas and our creativity. So the whole purpose of this is to just kind of see what sits behind that wall that's keeping you from what you really want. So literally get a piece of paper and a pen. You can pause me between each question, but literally have a go at answering these and literally write down whatever comes up, however wild or ostentatious it might be. So question number 1, I want you to finish the sentence. If I knew I couldn't fail, I would. Question number 2. If I didn't care what other people thought, I would. Statement number 3. If I was sure I'd succeed, I would. Statement number 4. If I could be sure it was the right choice, I would. Statement number 5. If I wasn't worried about the future, I would. And finally, statement number 6. If I had the freedom, I would. So hopefully you've had a go at those questions. If your mind has argued with you on it, try them again. Literally go make yourself a cup of tea or have a break and come back to it. But just actually take a look at the answers that you've got, because if you've been able to override just for a moment that left brain kind of, restricted, realistic view of things to get to the nub of actually what you really want out of your life and the things that you would do if there were no barriers, this has given you a really clear picture of the things that actually it's worth working towards. So, of the things on your list, take a look and see if pick one and actually do one tiny thing that relates to that particular thing on your list. So just take one small action towards that, no matter what it is or how tiny, because it starts the process. So good luck with it, have some fun, and I'll see you next week.